Inventory approval flow. Petpooja inventory has a provision where all the purchase order can go to an approving authority, and once approved, then only they can be processed. This function helps you to centralize the entire ordering process and to keep a very strict control on the purchases being made in the outlet. Because of this control, several mistakes done by the staff members can be avoided and money can be saved. Let us see how can we access this function in Petpooja inventory. First, you will have to log into your owner's dashboard and then go to the particular outlet. Once you reach the particular outlet's owner dashboard, you have to go to inventory section, under which inventory approval flow will be visible. Here, it will ask you for providing an approval authority. Now there is a drop-down list visible. Only those users which are created in user management module of Petpooja will be visible here. You can select multiple users and click on Save Changes. Once done, they will be able to approve the POs in their owner's dashboard. If I want to give the rights for another outlet, I'll have to first navigate to that outlet and then only select and assign the users. This is all about inventory approval flow in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.